Welcome to the Explainer. You know that feeling when you've got a great video, a presentation, or a fun app on your phone, and you just want to throw it up onto the big screen for everyone to see? Well, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's start by defining exactly what casting is directly from our source's FAQ, just to establish a really solid baseline. Casting, or mirroring as it's often called, is quite simply the process of sending the screen of your phone or your computer to your smart TV wirelessly. Today, we are diving into a highly practical, foolproof, step-by-step guide based on a fantastic tutorial by Rachel Barrett over at Firestick Hacks. We're going to cover exactly how to cast to your Firestick from iOS, Android, and PC. And to make things super clear, we'll be looking at the actual interface pictures straight from the source so you know exactly which buttons to press. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our agenda for today. 1. Preparing your Firestick. 2. Casting from iOS devices. 3. Casting from Android devices. 4. Casting from your PC. And finally, 5. Troubleshooting common issues. Section 1. Preparing your Firestick. Let's get everything ready to go. Before your phone or your laptop can even talk to your television, we have to actually get the Firestick ready to receive that wireless signal. It's really just a simple 4-step process. Using your remote on the Firestick home screen, you'll go into Settings, select Display and Audio, hit Enable Display Mirroring, and boom, your device is completely ready to cast. Let's take a look at what that interface actually looks like. So looking at the real interface here, first, you just navigate over to that Settings gear icon right on your home screen. Click it, scroll over, and select Display and Audio. It is literally right there and incredibly easy to find. Once you are inside that Display and Audio menu, just click Enable Display Mirroring. And this brilliantly illustrates how hitting that button instantly flips your television into a ready state. It just sits there waiting for an incoming wireless connection. Your Firestick is now completely prepped. Section 2. Casting from iOS devices. Now, for all our Apple users out there, this module requires a specific, but honestly, very simple workaround. You might be wondering, why is iOS different? Well, unlike Android or Windows, casting from an iPhone or an iPad natively relies on Apple's proprietary AirPlay technology. And the Firestick? It doesn't support AirPlay out of the box. But don't worry, the solution is completely seamless. We're going to solve this by downloading a free app called AirScreen right from the Amazon App Store. Also, quick tip from our source, it's always a good idea to use a VPN, like Surfshark, to protect your online identity before downloading new applications. The initial app installation phase takes, just a few seconds. You'll search for AirScreen, download it, open the app, and confirm on the interface. Let's look at the exact steps to get this installed. Right on your Firestick home screen, click the search icon and type in AirScreen. You are looking for a blue icon with a little white monitor inside of it. Click that and hit the Get or Download button. Once it's successfully installed, just click Open. The initial setup is wonderfully straightforward. You literally just click Confirm right on the main interface to kick off the pairing sequence with your Apple device. So here is the crucial point. A QR code is going to appear on your TV. You just scan that with your iOS device's camera and tap the link that pops up. On your phone screen, you'll choose either entire screen or in-app content. Then, simply swipe down to pull up your iPhone's control center, select Screen Mirroring, that icon with the 2 overlapping rectangles, and pick your Firestick from the menu. And congratulations, your iPhone is now live on the big screen. Section 3. Casting from Android devices. This is a really great shift because, unlike iOS, Android devices generally have casting capabilities built right in natively, no third-party apps required whatsoever. You simply open your phone's notification menu, select Smart View, and choose your Firestick device. Just keep in mind, depending on your specific Android brand, it might be labeled Screencast or Mirroring instead, but they all do the exact same thing. Check out this actual interface from the source. On a Samsung phone, for example, you just pull down the top menu, tap Smart View, and tap your Firestick when it pops up in that available device list. You instantly start streaming to the big screen. It truly is that effortless for Android users. Section 4. Casting from your PC. This module covers the Windows 10 environment, and it's perfect for users looking to basically turn their TV into a giant computer monitor, share a presentation, or just watch a video wirelessly. Much like Android, Windows 10 makes this a super quick native 4-step process. You click the notifications icon in the bottom right of your taskbar, select Connect, choose your Firestick, and then when you're completely finished, you can simply disconnect using your Firestick remote. Let's see how this builds visually. In your standard Windows 10 Action Center, you just hit that Connect tile and select your Firestick from the list. Suddenly, your PC desktop is right there on your TV. And when you want to stop, you don't even have to walk back to your computer. Just press the back button on your Firestick remote and click Yes on the TV screen. Easy as that.
Section 5. Troubleshooting common issues. Look, we all know technology isn't always perfect on the very first try. If your screen mirroring simply isn't working, here are the direct fixes to tackle the most common roadblocks straight from the source's FAQ. First, and this is absolutely crucial, the number one fix, ensure both your casting device and your Firestick are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your phone is on cellular data or even a different router band, they physically cannot see each other to connect. Second, just quickly verify your mobile device actually supports native mirroring. If you check off those two boxes, you will almost always resolve a connection failure.